CCTV shows a street workshop in Vietnam where welding sparks ignite a hidden flammable container. A sudden explosion erupts, throwing debris and knocking people down. Bystanders flee as smoke clears, highlighting the deadly risk of unsafe welding practices everywhere today.
A white car narrowly avoids a crash as a large truck suddenly swerves across lanes, forcing it onto the grass. Epic trail fail. A dirt bike rider runs over a downed motorcycle and owner. Talk about adding insult to injury.
In this wild video, a scooter rider gets hit by a car but walks away unharmed. Is this the luckiest fail?
A truck driver crashed into a building, knocking down the entrance roof. Epic driving fail caught on camera. Subscribe for more.
Gym fail. A man gets pinned by a heavy barbell while benching and barely escapes by tipping off the weights.